In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the talkback section on a DiGiCo SD console. Hi, my name is Pita and welcome to Mono Sound Lab. Today I have DiGiCo SD12 console with a talkback mic connected to one of the local inputs. I want to use this one mic as a talkback to the artist, but also as a shout to my monitor engineer. How can we do that? We can open the talkback section by pressing the setup menu on the master screen and choose talkback. On the right, we can assign a talkback input. In our case, that's just a local input. To set the gain, we have a dedicated rotary on the talkback section of the DiGiCo. On the left of the display, we have two separate talkback outputs. On the bottom, we can label them and route them to a physical output. Let's use 15 for our talkback output and output 16 for shout mic. Of course, we can also route them internally by pressing the white box on the top of the buttons. Useful if we're doing monitors from front of house or for the talkback of the monitor engineer himself. That's basically it. Now we can use the dedicated talkback A and B buttons to talk to our artists, our monitor engineer, or both of them. So that's how we can use the talkback buttons on a DiGiCo SD console. If you have any other questions or maybe a next topic for a video, don't forget to leave a comment down below, like and subscribe. Until next time, my friends.